guys, today we're gonna drive my car. Let's go! Welcome to Mesa's Happy Life! Can I turn it on now?
Yes. Let's go. Why? Help you?
Yeah.
Where?
Help me so far.
Yeah, come on, you go far. You go over there. On the other road. Come on. Come on. You move forward.
Why?
Yeah, we're gonna go far. You move forward. You go over there. On the right. Come on.
Go there.
Oh, come on. Hey, look forward. Come on.
Are we still far now?
What?
Are we still far now?
Yeah. Are you moving? Come on. Come on, forward.
Oi!
What?
I'm not...
Okay.
The car's following me or no?
No?
Why?
Oh, you look forward. You might fall there. Oh, come on. You move forward. You move forward now.
Yeah.
Are we far away?
Yes. Hey! Go backward. Hey, you're too fast. Are you far?
Come on.
I cannot too fast. Oh, you're too fast. Ah, the back. Ah. We're gonna go to SM, we're gonna go back.
Yeah, we're gonna go to SM.
And we're gonna have so much fun.
Come on, behind. Come on.
You're too fast.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You have to be slow.
Okay, slow.
Let's have it more.
Yeah. Is it hot?
Down there is hot.
Bili ka kotse.
Sorry, pang ano, sports car.
Eh,
Kaya,
ganda. Oh, wala siya. Wala.
Why? What happened? Slow bat? What happened? Come on. Ano na?
I want to go to SM.
You need to charge it, or it's yours too slow. We're home. I go to the room first. We go back to the house now.
No.
Why?
Thank you, bag.
Nagana po rin ba ako?
Okay. You want to
We're gonna go to SM. How's your driving?
go?
It's good. Are you sad? Why? You wanna go to the mall?
Yeah. Mom is not too far,
It's not too far, but your car needs to be charged.
but Crockett said can we walk, maybe?
Walk?
Yeah.
We're gonna walk to SM.
Yeah.
No, wait, it's hot. Let's go. Let's walk when it's not hot anymore. Is that okay? We're gonna walk when it's not hot. Okay? Look, oh, I'm sweating. Look. Oh,
And
you're sweating too?
no.
Let's rest a bit, okay? Let's wait for Tito Lon. We're gonna walk.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a bath first.
Bye-bye, friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Click here to subscribe. Click here. Bye-bye.